Just waiting for this. All right. So as you see right here, we just went over the live demo, and I just want to show you again. One campaign, $59,109.56, guys. That's what one of these videos can make you, and that's because I did it all on autopilot. I put it up. I made sure that I picked the best keywords, which I'm going to go over in just a second, and that's actually our next slide. And basically, I just let it go. I didn't do anything after that. I put it up, and I walked away and worked on the next one. One campaign has resulted for this, all for free, all free traffic. This video that took me what did that take me, guys? 2-3 minutes right there in front of your eyes to create that video. 2-3 minutes, and I'm going to show you what I do on the other side with research too as well. Okay, so here we go. Picking a keyword. The only part of this, let's see if I can get my mouse over it. I won't show. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys where you go. Picking the best keyword is very simple. Okay. You see right here where it says tags, where it says Jimmy Kim Internet Marketing, tags, Internet Marketing. You guys all see that, right? You guys see where I wrote the tags there? That is your keywords. Now, here's the truth with Google. Unfortunately, they used to make it really easy. One thing that you guys will find, if you guys all saw like Onyx Lazy Tubester course, for example, just to pick on one. The thing was, it's kind of based on some older stuff that unfortunately they've changed just recently in the last year that have really made it much harder. So let me show you guys what it looks like now. I put the new and the old here, okay? So the new is on the left-hand side here. The new shows you what it looks like when you go to YouTube video now. Here's the old on the bottom right. On the old, you see the little thing that says categories and tags here on the right-hand side? On the little box on the right-hand side, those tags no longer appear, which is a big problem. I found that to become a big problem this past year when I was working. And, I realized that, that's the most important part. And I could no longer see the tags, which made it a big problem because my method results in just going out and spying on the best keywords and then going from there and replicating the work, okay? And the only way to do that, I realized, is that I needed to make sure that I picked the best keywords. And the only way to do that, just like you do with your YouTube, with your Google and stuff, it's not easy when you have to go in blind. There's no way. So what I did was I have something I'm going to share with you in just a second. It's a really cool tool. It's just going to show you really cool how easy it is to really just spy on people, okay? So this slide is, I wanted to show you just to remind you that tags, that little simple thing, those little keywords that I'm about to share with you right now, that's what the main thing is responsible with the money that I've made this past year. It's $225,000. It's $250,000 pretty much you've made, okay? And that's what you can make by doing this, okay? So let's go to a live demo right now, and I'm going to pull up my windows here, okay? All right, guys. So talk about another one. I just pulled up another video just to show you guys. Okay, this video is one video I created earlier this year, and I made $84,000, $7,000 a month. Okay, now you guys are looking at it going, oh yeah, I understand. How did he do it? Blah blah blah. Now I'm going to show you right now. I want to pull out my calculator and my notepad. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys on Excel how this is done. Okay. Let me pull this up right now and maximize this on my screen. And in 1 second, guys. All right, so it's loading up on my screen here. Perfect, okay? Let me make sure my font is nice and big so you guys can see it, okay? So we're going to call this my hypothetical case study, okay? Why I call it hypothetical is just because, if you copy everything I do, I can teach you exactly, okay? So we're going to put a couple things. So average views of video, okay? I pulled up some stats, guys, and basically it says the average views of video is 10 views. Oh, I don't know why this won't keep it. Hold on. Actually, if I do this. Okay, there we go. All right, so average views per day. They say that you can get 10 views per day for video. Remember how many people are looking at a video a month? 800 million people are looking at videos. So to get 80 views a day is minor, right? So what does that really come out to, guys? That's monthly. That's 300 views per month, right, guys? Okay, now I'm going to show you the math and how the money is made here with this, okay? So when you have 300 views a month. They say statistically, they say on average, an average person, if you follow the right steps, you'll get 22% of people to click on your site. Okay, basically they'll click on the link that you posted or the link that you type up there. That's it. The average person will post 22 times. So let's do the math here, guys. So if we have 300 people and 22% of the people click. Let me pull out my calculator here. Okay, so then you get 66 people to go to the link, okay? Whatever that link is, and I'm going to teach you what that link is going to be. That link is going to be to an affiliate program, a CPA program, something else, something basically that you find for free and you don't have to do any work for. You just sign up and get a link, and that's all you post in there, okay? Now, of those 66 people, okay, I'm going to show you math again. Let's just say on average, because they're targeted, they came looking for dog training or puppy training. Let's just take that for example, guys. They came there looking for puppy training, and so you're going to say that 5% of these people, okay, were converted, meaning 5% of the people purchased something once they went to your link because they were interested in puppy training. You took them to a product about puppy training, so now they want to buy. So you get 5% of the people. That makes sense, right? So you take that, and that 5% equals 3.3 sales, or 3 sales pretty much, okay? So 3 sales, and an average sale is about $40 to $50 a month, $40 to $50 per sale, right? So what does that really equate to, guys? Okay, one video that gets 10 views a day. That's just average, guys. One video doing just the basic stuff, and you're getting 3 sales per month and everything. What is that? That's $150 a month, okay? Now, guys, remember what I just showed you guys? I just showed you guys how you were able to build a video in 3 to 5 minutes and do some basic stuff here. How many of you guys couldn't make 10 videos? If I gave you that, could you make 10 videos right now for me? Could you make 10 videos in the next 15, 20 minutes? Yeah, it's easy, right? That's what I'm saying. Of course you can. I see people pouring in, okay? Let's just imagine 10 videos, guys. What is 10 videos? What's 10 times 150? That's $1,500 a month, okay? Now, let's say you got ambitious. Let's just say you got super ambitious, guys, and said, how about I build 100 videos a month, okay? 100 videos. This not a month, I'm sorry, just 100 videos total. You're going to take 100 videos, you're going to spend 3 to 5 minutes with the videos, and you're just going to put them up there, okay? Guess what that is? What's 100 times $150 a month? That's $15,000 a month, okay? That is where I got my number from. Remember in the beginning of my presentation, I said you can make up to $15,000 a month doing this? This is where I got my numbers, because I'm asking you if you can make 100 videos for me, okay, or even a 10. I mean, how many people would $1,500 be? Would that be life-changing money to you guys? And what about $15,000? Would that, if you made $15,000 a month, would that change your life? Would that change the way you operate your life? Okay, so let's just say $15,000. Now let's take this whole case study and box it right now, okay? And let's just I was gonna box it. Okay, and let's just take one video. Okay, let's just say you've got the same formula, and let's just say a video exploded. Okay, let's just say a video exploded, guys. Like you guys got a video. You know how these viral videos happen and all that stuff, right? So let's just say one video took off, right? And let's say instead of just 10 views a day, you're getting 100 views a day. Okay. Okay. Now, what is that, guys? That's 3,000 views a month, right? Okay, so that's 3,000 views a month. Okay, so what does that do? 22%, and do the math here, 33,000 times 22% is 660 people have clicked on your site, okay? And of the 6%, we did that 5% math, so that means 33 sales at $50 a sale. Guys, that's $1,650 a month per video. Now, you know what the beauty of this whole thing is? The whole beauty of this whole thing is that it's done on complete autopilot. 100% complete autopilot. Once you put up the site, you set and forget, guys. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to sit there and manage him. Essentially, you go back to that screen where I was showing you where I was sitting on the green hills and just sit there and watch over the skies. I mean, that's what you do after you set this up. Okay? All right. So Now, let's take it one more step, okay? Let's just take it one more step just to show you what it does. And you guys are going to get this, okay? Let's say you get 1,000 views a day, okay? That's 30,000 views a month, guys. I mean, this is where my sites make money, okay? This is what happens. You take the same number of 30,000 and you multiply that by 22%. You get 6,000. Wait, let me grab my calculator again. And 1 second. You grab 30,000 and you take 22%. Let me just make sure. I know it's 66, but I want to make sure. Okay, 6,600. Okay, and then we take the 5% of that, and that's 330 sales. Okay, times the $50. How much is that, guys? I mean, who can shout out how much that is? Yep, you got it. $16,500 a month with one video. That's just one video I'm talking about. It's just one video went crazy. One video went viral. Okay? Basically, it doesn't really take much more than just a great keyword. Okay? 1,000 views a day is not asking much when you're looking at 800 million views. I mean, you guys look at what 800 million looks like. You guys see this? That number is the amount of views that you. Oh, why did I minimize here? That number is what I'm talking about. 800 million views, and we're just asking for a measly 1,000 of them. Okay, we're not asking for much. We're asking for 300 views a month just to make the system work, so you can make money on with it. Okay, look how simple that is. Okay, that was simple. You guys all understand